Hey guys, what's up? It's Gourmet here, and so at the very end of the last episode, we saw this thing right to the side of me. It turned on, and that is called a guardian, right there. And yeah, it shoots lasers at you, and they can be very dangerous. But there's a shrine right next to it that I need to get to. YOLO. This isn't gonna end well. Oh, why? Oh my gosh. That was close too. Oh, I think there was another one here that we had to break the blocks with. That's okay. Let's see. Jar Bayaj Shrine. Open the holy doors. Oh, sorry. Skip. I've seen these cutscenes way too many times. On my other run, honestly, I've only got 30% of the game done, but I have done every single shrine in the game. Yeah, let's see. I think we get bombs. This is gonna be interesting. The bombs will be really good for just overall puzzles like in the game in the future. It's gonna really help me a lot. Oh boy, am I glad I'm getting these. This is gonna help me so much. Change rooms, so okay. There's so many glitches that I've watched on YouTube for this game, just like one thing that into like shield surf and then don't let damage my shield just yet. I think there's like a ruby or something in here. I'm probably getting that wrong. Oh no, it's a chest. With the... Oh. I have no idea why I thought there was a ruby in there. I thought there was like a ruby or a sapphire or something in there, but... It's just a sword. Just a sword. Just a stupid little sword. How did that tree branch not break? It doesn't take like 2 hits to break. But when you're throwing it, it does not break. Oh man. Bow spin, kids. Sorry, I've watched so many glitches. And oh. No! Go cut. Wait, have you got the bomb equipped? Yeah, okay. This is the last bit of the puzzle. Wait, is there any chests? I think there's one there. No? Okay. Hey, sorry about that. Something just glitched out with the video, and now I've actually finished the shrine, but unfortunately, you didn't get to see it on camera, so sorry about that, but, yeah. So now, let's get our spirit orb. Boom. Best sound effects ever. So I'm pretty sure now this shrine was in the ruins where the guardians were, and they can kill you in one hit, so they're really dangerous. So I need to get out of there. Yeah. Oh my, oh, it is night. Okay, okay. Get my sword. Broker club. These are skeleton. I forgot what they were called. I think they're called scaly goblins or something. No, style goblins. Okay, got a bokoblin arm. Some fangs to make stuff for elixirs. That'd be good. We'll need the axe for later, so that's why I kept it. There's a guardian there. Yep. Yeah, it sees me. Okay. I think that's the guardian that I needed to blow up the rocks with, but it's fine. Oh, more of you? Oh, it's so annoying. Okay, I'm just gonna run away. Can't be bothered fighting anything. Eventually we'll fight the guardians, maybe like before I do the last shrine. Yeah. So let's see on a map. We need to go to there. I think this. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So we're going to the shrine to there was like some treasure outside that Magnesis shrine. So that's why we're going there. Yep, there's like, okay, we'll just kill these guys. And then, oh my gosh, he's got a spear. Jeez. The other one just gave up and died. Oh, a traveler's spear, that's good. So we need to break open these boxes by using magnesis, which we got from the shrine, and just drop them. We should get some stuff. Oh, a roasted bass. However you say it. Oh my gosh, Link. Stupid. I hate these things. Okay, looks like there's some treasure chests. Let's open them up. Oh my gosh. How did Link not get brain damage? Okay, an opal. That's good. That's good for getting rupees early on in the game. Okay, that hurt. Amber. It's very good. And there's some more here. Oh, what? Wait, why did that not break? It should have broke. Arrows. They're gonna be really good for hunting Koroks and just animals in general. More arrows and a baked apple. That's very good. Okay, need to eat. Yeah, we'll eat those baked apples that we just got. Okay. So now we are going to, I think we should go into our map to teleport to the tower, so we can scout out for the next shrine. I need to make space for me to be able to talk. I need to just talk about things, because right now I'm just talking about whatever I'm doing. I need to talk about things that actually entertain people. Oh. Okay. Yeah, there is 2 more. That one on the mountain there. I see it. I see it. There it is. So it's right there. So I think the Shrine of Resurrection is the nearest to that. We'll just try and get there as quickly as we can, because, well, it's night. I don't want to be battling monsters all the time. Yeah. Whoosh. Let's run. Gotta go. It seems like it's just turning morning. Wow. What luck. Okay. I think there's a Korok here. Is there? Yeah, there is. That was a very elegant dive. But you can see me? I didn't know your kind could see the children of the forest. Well, if you run into Hestu, please return this to him. Okay. Oh, and my friends are hiding. I think there's also like a sword. Some people would say that it's a master sword, but it's like it's not. It's just a rusty broadsword, but it's still pretty good. I'm gonna throw away the Boko bat, the Boko club for that. Oh, there's some bombable rocks. No, that didn't work. How the bomb reload is so annoying. I think we got a fish. Oops. What's in its chest? Opal. Nice. Okay. I think we're gonna go like across past the Temple of Time to these cliffs here. I'm gonna whistle sprint just because I want to get there as quickly as I can, so yeah. Doesn't fall down like some of the videos that I've seen. Please stay. Okay. Whoa, that's a big drop. If I fell, I would have died. Splat. Oh my gosh, that scared me, Okay. Gotta kill these Bokos. Wait, what hit me there? Okay. Boom. There we go. A Boko spear. I thought I already picked up one of those. I don't know why I had the question mark. We got some stuff. Where's the shrine? I think it's still. Another bomber wall. Rock wall. Let's see what's in here. Please be some good stuff. Fire arrows. That's lit, man. It's gonna be so helpful. So I think the shrine is up on the next. Yeah, it's up on the next cliff. Now for just a long climb up.